Welcome to the AntsQ podcast, where we build digital empires one grain at a time. I'm Andy.
And I'm Annie. Today we're talking about how AntsQ operates like an actual ant colony, except we build brand reputations instead of dirt mounds.
Exactly. While solo marketing gurus are out there alone, we've got specialized teams for every aspect of digital marketing.
It's like comparing a lone ant to our colony. We're not just working hard, we're working smart with SEO specialists, content creators, and developers, all perfectly coordinated.
Speaking of working smart, I hear you're training our AI to do all the work, Annie.
Not all the work. Our AI tools are like having thousands of extra worker ants. They handle the heavy lifting while our human experts focus on strategy and creativity.
That's what keeps us ahead. While others debate using AI, we're already using it to build faster websites and create smarter content.
And our clients don't just get one overworked freelancer. They get an entire colony, AI for efficiency and human experts for creativity.
Exactly. Remember that new e-commerce client? Their previous agency took 3 months to launch their site.
And we did it in 3 weeks. Our AI tools generated the layouts, our developers customized them, and our content colony created all the descriptions overnight.
That's the AntsQ difference. Giving AI to a solo agency is like giving an ant a power tool. They have the tech, but not the team to use it right.
That's basically our competitors right now. Meanwhile, our colony is building digital skyscrapers.
Well, that's our time. Remember, whether you're building an anthill or a digital empire, it's always better to work as a colony.
Especially when that colony has AI-powered tools. Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time.